What's up everybody, my name is Ehsan Khan and nearly 10 years ago my life changed when I left university and was hired by one of the world's top recruitment firms. And what I learned there, I used to then go on to set up multiple recruitment businesses that have generated 6 figures in their first 12 months. And if you stick with me, I can show you exactly how you could too. So first of all, who is this channel for? This is for people who are looking to start a business from scratch, where they're able to work from home or work remotely from anywhere in the world. This is for recruiters who are already working in a firm, they're making money, but they're only taking 20% of what they're actually billing for their companies, and they want to make 100% of what they earn for themselves. This is for recruitment company owners who want to have an edge over their competitors by finding clients on a daily basis that nobody else has access to. This is for people who want to learn a new skill set and develop their mindset and realize how much money is possible to make through recruitment. And on this channel, we cover 3 areas: money, investments, and mindset. Because if you combine these 3 things, you can change your entire life and turn your dreams into reality. So if you haven't done so already, make sure that you join the Tribe of Recruiters Facebook group. I'll leave the link in the description below. And once you join, or if you're already part of the tribe already, make sure that you watch my free case study video to explain a bit more about who I am and what the opportunity is within recruitment. And if you're serious about taking this further and investing in yourself and your education, book a 45-minute strategy session with me where I'll help you to become clear on whether this is right for you. And if you have any questions so far, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to know how you found yourself here in the Tribe of Recruiters, and I'd love to know at what stage of the journey you're at with your business. And for any questions that you have, feel free to post them in the group, and either myself or one of the other amazing members of this group will surely give their response to you in no time. I look forward to going on this journey with all of you guys, and the main mission here is to change our lives and turn our dreams into reality. And I look forward to discussing more with you guys in the comment section. Peace.